Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Gmail to Cloud AI. Alright, so basically it's the same thing connecting Cloud AI to Gmail. So let me show you how it's done. Open up your Cloud AI on your Chrome browser. Tap on these three dots. After that, choose settings. Now, as you choose settings, guys, I'm almost getting done. Just click on connectors here. Then once you click on connectors, guys, you then go and see the list of connected applications. Then among the list, you'll see Gmail over here. Okay. Now, I'd advise you to just click on connect. Once you click on connect, then Cloud will ask you to connect to your Gmail. So click on that Gmail account. Then you can see over here, it's now getting connected. And then just click on continue after reading all the terms and conditions. Continue. All right. So here you just have to check mark all that stuff. Then click on continue again. And then once you're done, you'll have connected. So you can see, guys, authentication is complete and Gmail has been connected to Cloud AI. So basically, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.